Welcome to the Max Buddy YouTube channel, students. Today we are going to learn the chapter Mixture and Alligations. So, Mixture and Alligation, let us start. Mixture and Alligation. What is a mixture? A mixture is formed by combining two or more substances. For example, sugar plus milk. It is a mixture, right? Here we are combining two or more substances. Similarly, tea plus sugar, that is also a mixture. Now we studied what is a mixture. So we are moving into the next important rule, that is alligation rule. Alligation rule. Students, this rule is very useful in solving most of the problems in this chapter. So please note down this. This rule is used when two ingredients of different prices or concentration are mixed. Two ingredients of different prices or concentration are mixed. Are mixed. For example, let us take the case of sugar and salt. These are two different ingredients, right? And they are of different prices or different concentration. So to find the ratio, we can use this alligation rule. So there exists a formula for that. Formula to find the ratio equal to higher minus mean is to mean minus lower. When combining two substances in different concentration, one will be higher and one will be lower. And we are taking the mean of that two, then we can apply this formula. For example, let us consider an example. Look this question. Rice costing 40 kg and 60 kg are mixed to get a mixture worth 48 kg. So we need to find the ratio. So we are going to use this alligation rule, and we have rice, two different priced rice. That is, one rice is 60 kg, another one is 40 kg, and they mix to get a mixture worth 48 kg. That is mean here. Sorry, they are not kg, they are the rate. Okay, so 60 per kg, 40 per kg, and 48 per kg for the mixture. Now how we are going to find the ratio? Our equation was higher minus mean, that is 60 minus 48. Now mean minus lower, that is 48 minus 40, right? Here higher value is 60, lower value is 40. The difference is written here, and mean minus lower difference is written here. Now we are getting the ratio, that is 8 is to 12, right? Cutting with the 4, we get 2 is to 3. So 2 is to 3 is the ratio. I hope this alligation rule is clear to everyone. Now let us move to another type of problem. Question is, milk and water are mixed in the ratio 5 is to 3. Find the quantity of milk in 64 liters mixture. So what we have? We have the ratio. Ratio is 5 is to 3, right? So ratio is given 5 is to 3. This is milk, this is water. We need to find the quantity of milk in 64 liters of milk mixture. So this is the ratio of total mixture. So this is corresponding to 64, right? That is 5 plus 3 equal corresponding to 64. That is 8 equal to 64. 1 equal to 64 by 8 equal to 8. We need to find the quantity of milk. So milk was 5, right? So 5 equal 5 corresponding to 5 into 8 equal to 40 liter. This is the quantity of milk in the 64 liter mixture. I hope this is clear to everyone. Now let us look another question. Milk and water are in the ratio 4 is to 1. If 10 liters of water is added, the ratio becomes 2 is to 1. Find initial milk. So, solution. Initial ratio was 4 is to 1. This is milk, this is water. And after that 10 liters of water added. So let initial quantity be 4x and x. So 4x by 10 liters of water added, that is x plus 10. Now the ratio becomes 2 is to 1, right? So 2 is to 1, 2, 2 by 1. Solving it, 4x equal to 2x plus 20, 2x equal to 20, x equal to 10, right? So we need to find the initial milk, that is asked here. Find the initial milk. Initial milk was 4x, right? So x equal to 10, so 4x equal to 4 into 10 equal to 40 liter was the initial milk. I think this is too clear to everyone. Now let us continue with another question. A mixture contains 40 liters with milk and water in the ratio 3 is to 2. How much water should be added so that the ratio becomes 3 is to 4? So what is given? Mixture. Mixture contains 40 liters with milk and water in the ratio 3 is to 2. This is milk, this is water. Total 40 liters. So 5 equal to 40, right? 5 corresponding to 40. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 corresponding to 40. 1 equal to 40 by 5, right? Equal to 8. So now we have the common multiplier. So we can find milk and water. So milk equal to 3x. 3 into 8 equal to 24. Similarly, water equal to 2 into 8 equal to 16 liter. Now, how much water should be added so that the ratio becomes 3 is to 4? Now we have 24 liter milk and 16 liter water. So we are going to add y liter water again so that the ratio becomes 3 by 4. Solving it, we get 24 into 4 equal to 96 equal to 3 into 16 plus y equal to 48 plus y. That is 96 equal to 48 plus y. So 40, sorry, this is 3y, okay? 96 equal to 48 plus 3y. That is 48 equal to 3y. So we get y equal to 48 by 3 equal to 16 liter. So we need to add 16 liters of water to make this ratio. So this is, I think this is clear to everyone. Now we are going to learn another important formula, that is successive replacement. Successive replacement. This is most important for the bank exams. So please focus on this. Successive replacement means we are replacing some quantity of mixture again and again and again. So there is a formula to find the quantity left. So quantity left equal to v into 1 minus x by v raised to n. Let us look the terms. Here v equal to vessel capacity. Vessel capacity. X equal to quantity removed. Quantity removed. N equal to number of operations. That means how much time this removal process performed. So this is the formula successive replacement. Quantity left equal to V into 1 minus x by V raised to n, where V is the vessel capacity. That means how much quantity that the vessel can contain. Then the quantity removed, that is x, and n equal to number of operations. Let us solve a question using this successive replacement. A vessel contains 80 liters of milk. So the vessel contains 80 liters of milk, 20 liters removed and replaced with water 3 times. We need to find the milk left. So vessel contains 80 liters of milk. So our successive replacement formula is quantity left equal to V into 1 minus x by V raised to n, where V equal to capacity of vessel, x equal to number of operations performed, and x quantity left and n number of operations performed. So here V equal to 80 liters. Vessel contains 80 liters of milk. So capacity 80 liters. 20 liters removed, that is x equal to 20 liters, and the operation performed 3 times. So n equal to 3. We got all the variables, right? So just substitute that in the formula. Equal to 80 into 1 minus 20 by 80 raised to 3, right? Equal to 80 into 1 minus, cutting by 20 we get 1 minus 1 by 4 raised to 3. This is equal to 80 into 3 by 4 raised to 3 equal to 80 into 27 by 64. Now cutting with the 4, 16, 20, again with the 4, 5, 4. This is equal to 5 into 27 by 4. 27 by 4 means, let us solve this. 6 4 24, 3, 7, 5. 6.75. 6.75 into 5. 33.75. So the quantity left is 33.75 liters. I hope this question is clear to everyone. So students, if you like this video, please subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.